Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing an apparent working party, if you will, that is sort of being tasked with not only ascertaining but also essentially thwarting fraudulent, visa fraud, immigration fraud here in the Kingdom of Thailand. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, that's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, "Visa Extensions for Sick Foreigners Are Now Tougher to Obtain." I urge those who are watching this video, go read that article in detail. A lot of insight in there, a lot of information. Quoting directly, "The crackdown appears to relate to a working party set up by Immigration Police Commander Lieutenant General Pakpumpipat Saijapan last November to close loopholes which had facilitated fraudulent visa extension applications based on voluntary work for foundations, being an adult language student, or claiming to be ill." So what we're talking about here is going back prior to October of 2022, we were dealing with what was called the emergency decree, which was promulgated in March of 2020. We were dealing with that for a number of years, and there was a great deal of discretion on the part of immigration officers here in country to allow folks to remain in status in Thailand, as it was felt there was an exigent need to do that under those circumstances. That emergency decree ended, I believe, at the end of Q3 of 2022, and from Q4 onward, we've been dealing with sort of the status quo ante. We're back to the system that was in place in the first quarter of 2020. And the result of that is, there's stricter enforcement. There's not this kind of lax discretion, if you will, to allow folks to stay in the kingdom. This resulted in folks that apparently didn't have much other reason to be in Thailand, or no reason that could be provided to Thai immigration satisfaction. And it resulted in a lot of folks looking for ways to maintain status, but in ways that really aren't all that conducive or in alignment, if you will, with what Thai immigration, the purposes Thai immigration will give to people staying here in the kingdom long term. And then the upshot of that was folks went out and looked for these sort of fraudulent volunteer visas, or in this case, and I urge those again who are watching this video, go check out that article where they're talking about medical. A lot of folks ran to the medical visa to try and maintain status. Well, clearly, Thai immigration is taking this seriously. As we've discussed in other videos, they have much more of a law enforcement paradigm now with respect to how they think about Thai immigration. And as a result, this is a situation wherein we're gonna see a lot more stringent enforcement of Thai immigration law moving forward. And I think an example of this is, look, they're scrutinizing medical visa applications much more thoroughly. Again, they get into that in the thrust of that article I quoted. But at the same time, we've done videos already talking about how, look, education visas are under increased scrutiny. Volunteer visas are very difficult to obtain now, if not impossible, and they are certainly subject to increased scrutiny. And as we've discussed in other videos, a prior volunteer visa may actually cause problems in a future application for a new visa. So things to take away from this video. The big one is, look, Thai immigration is back. The emergency decree is over. Their discretion is, they no longer have those same discretionary powers that they once did. And Thai immigration law is being enforced. And we're seeing that now in the form of people having difficulty maintaining their status here in the Kingdom of Thailand.